Hi everyone, this is Ryota, and we are starting the Kubernetes burn down meeting for version 135. And today is 15th of December, and I'll be the host for today. And this is the last burn down meeting for version 135, as we have the release coming up very soon. Before we get started too much, please be aware that this is a Kubernetes code community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which can be summarized to be excellent to each other. And this meeting is recorded and will be publicly posted to YouTube. So please be mindful of what you say. And with that, let me just make sure that we have everything open. So with that, I will move to focus on the meeting notes. If you haven't done so already, please add yourself to the attendees list in the APAC section. I see only a single name. I see more people here. So if you haven't done so already, please add yourself to the attendees list. And with that, I do not see any open discussions. So we'll probably move on. But does anyone have any discussion points before we get started? If not, let's move on to the sub-team updates. So we'll start with the enhancements team. Do we have anyone from enhancements team on the call? I don't see anyone. So I'm just going to quickly say that the status is green and update is that we don't have anything too much to update, which is kind of expected at this stage. But yeah, the status overall for enhancements is green. Do we have any questions or comments for enhancements? And if not, let's move on to release signal. And I see getting updates right now. Do we have anyone from release signal to give an update, please?
Yes, right. Hi, Project here from the release signal team. So current status is yellow right now. We have one flaky test on master blocking, the kind IPv6 job. We are still awaiting signal on that one. So I think Chengav has already previewed regarding that, and we are following up on that. Yeah.
Great, thank you so much. Do we have any questions or comments for release signal team? If not, let's move on to the docs. Do we have anyone from docs to give an update?
Yeah, I can go ahead with the update. And thanks, Ryan, for updating the doc update. So, we have created the weekly branching PR, and it's reviewed and merged. And for the RC1 release note, we are facing couple of challenges. Like earlier, the Krell tool messed up, and we had to manually add the uh, the the PRs which was merged, and there were few list of PRs which we needed to manually add, and what that was done. And today we saw the comment from the page. So it seems like one of the cap was, I mean, removed. Earlier it was merged, but then it was removed. So now we had to remove that. So that was also updated from the Anshuman from the doc team, and we are now again ready for review. So yes, we are awaiting for the release lead team reviews and approvals. Yeah.
Great, noted. Thank you so much. Do we have any questions or comments for the docs team? All right. Just for me to better understand this, so you're saying that you're just waiting for Drew to give some final kind of approval push. Is that right? Or do we have anything else that we are pending?
Yes, you are correct. So the page posted some comments on a cap which was like added but later removed. So the page has kind of CC'd Drew into that thread. Anshuman has done his part, but we are just waiting on Drew to post his comments and reviews. But yeah, the review is actively in the PR is actively in review right now. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. I'll make sure to get Drew's attention as well. But yeah, thank you very much. Okay, that's great. Although the status being yellow, I think we can get things moving soon. So with that, let's move on to comms. Do we have anyone from the comms team to give an update, please?
Yep. So the current status of comms is green. After code freeze, we had 15 enhancements tracked via 13 PRs. 9 feature blocks have been merged as a draft and they're ready to publish. 4 of them are currently under review. So over here, you can see the link to a tracking board. So all the information is over there. We have the current release schedule and the order in which we'll be releasing the blocks all listed over there. And then coming to the most important release announcement. So we raised the PR earlier last week. So the PR had many reviews and almost all the suggestions have been implemented. So we'll need to finalize the last details and open the schedule PR ASAP. And finally, coming to the PR and webinar with the CNCF, Cloud Native Computing Foundation, the communication is currently going on and everything is on track. So we have to just finalize the latest details to have the webinar link available in time to be pushed into the announcement blog. Our lead, comms lead, Graziano, has been in touch with the CNCF representative. So that's all going on well. Thank you. And also thank you to everyone who reviewed the release announcement PR.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Yeah,
Thank
for
you.
the comms, I think there are a few more things happening. But do we have any questions or comments for the comms team first? I take that as no. And yeah, I think the feature blog's progressing really well. Release announcements almost there. And yeah, it is exciting to get everything wrapped up very soon. So thank you so much for all the efforts. And yeah, we'll just probably move on to the next bit. So thank you. For the release branch management, we don't have any updates to the meeting notes. It says status is green unless explicitly shared otherwise. So I think we just follow the release signal bits. So hopefully things get sorted out for the SIG node related flakes. And yeah, for the time being, I don't think we have much to discuss for the release branch management. But do we have any questions or comments for the release branch management? All right, if not, moving on to sub-project lead, which we do not have any update from Kat just yet. We might have something before the America's Anemia meeting. But for now, let's move on. Release lead from Drew. Release week. So he's got another nice, cute icon. So release party will take place immediately after our EMEA release team meeting at 5 p.m. UTC on the release day. And we'll play some relaxing music and collaborate around any remaining tasks. And we are almost there. Great job, everyone. And Retro Part 2 will be after the release. And we are thinking about December 29th as the candidate date. And please add any items that you want to be brought up in the retro doc, which is linked here. And with that, I think that's all for release lead. Do we have any questions or comments for the release lead? Okay, I think that's a no. And I think we have the logo and theme change pull request ready as well. So we'll have everything ready for the release very soon. SIG scalability, as usual, we don't have any updates, which is okay. We don't have anything red as far as we know. With that, all the updates are complete for subteams. Do we have anything else that we wanted to discuss and we haven't had the chance to do so? All right, if not, I think that's all for the YouTube. Thank you very much, YouTube. And I'm stopping the recording. Stop recording here.